I'm Maverick with ALE Truck Bids. We carry a lot of Renegade products here at ALE Truck Bids and Truck Wash. We have polish, wax, tire shine. We have a lot of different polishing wheels, buff wheels, cut wheels, and a lot of different polishing stuff for a lot of big rigs and even stuff like lift trucks and motorcycles, all that kind of stuff. Renegade's really good for a lot of owner-operators that are looking to polish their truck up this time of spring and even over winter if they want something to do during the night. And they're good for owner-operators, fleet guys too, if they want to take their truck home and polish it up, get it nice looking. It's good for that. We have polish and compound for tanks, stacks. We have aluminum polish, stainless polish, chrome polish, pretty much everything to polish. We also have detailing products from Renegade and Bull Snot. We have products for interior detailing. We have products for exterior detailing as far as wax, ceramic coating. We have tire shine, glass cleaner. We carry that in both Renegade and Bull Snot. We have Easy Spray, sprayable metal polish from Renegade and also from Bull Snot. If you're looking to get your truck polished up this year and want to make it look nice, stop by at ALE Truck Bids. We can hook you up with what you need.